Look at you sitting up. You're a big girl. You're a big girl. Yeah. Look at you.
Look.
You're doing so good.
Look. He got a beard.
You got a beard?
Yeah.
He's a billy goat, huh?
Yeah.
He's a billy goat.
Yeah. And this is a mama.
And that's a mama?
Yeah. Like you.
That's a horse.
And this is a horse too.
Yep. You playing barnyard?
Yeah, and this is a horse like this one.
That's a mama horse and a baby horse.
But you don't need to take all
You're still sitting up, huh, Kirsten? You're such a big girl.
Yeah.
4 months old, huh? 4 months old.
I gotta get
He's so strong.
Hey, monkey. He's a monkey.
Uh-oh, she's getting upset now.
You don't want to sit up. And this is a dinosaur.
That's a dinosaur. Okay.
Okay.
You ready? You can. Okay. Okay. There we go. Yeah, is that better? Is that better?
There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby.